こんにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello, everyone. I'm Ms.P. Welcome back to SAT Mathematics Lesson 6. So today we're going to learn about SAT Geometry Part 2. So let's get started. So now we have SAT Math Lesson 6, question number 1. In the figure below, ABED is a square with a sides of length 8. If EC is equal to 4, what is the perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD? So first of all, we know ABED is a square with a side of length 8. So we can say each side is 8, 8, 8, 8. And also we can say EC, we know EC is 4. And then we have to find the perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to find BC. What is BC? What is BC? So we know each angle of a square is right angle. Everything right angle. And this is straight line. So we also can say this is right angle too. So now we see triangle BCE is a right triangle. So we want to find BC and we can use Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So c is always a hypotenuse, which is bc this time. And then we can say this is a and this is b. And then we can say c squared is equal to a squared is 4 squared plus b squared is 8 squared. And c squared is equal to 4 squared is 16 plus 8 squared is 64. So c squared is equal to 16 plus 64, which is 80. So now we have to use square root. So we can say c is square root of 80. But we want to simplify square root of 80. So 80 is actually 4 squared times 5. So we can put 4 outside of the square root. So we can say 4 times square root of 5. So BC is 4 square root of 5. Now we can find the perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD. So A plus, 8 plus, 8 plus, 4 plus, and 4 square root of 5. So perimeter is 8 plus, 8 plus, 8 plus, 4 plus 4 square root of 5. So which is 28 plus 4 square root of 5. This is the answer, and then D is the answer. This is easy enough, so let's do next problem. Okay, question number 2. If BA is equal to BC in the figure below, which of the following must be true? Note, figure is not drawn to scale. So we know BA and BC are congruent, even though they don't look like that, because figure is not drawn to scale. So I'm going to draw a little bit nicer triangle here, and I'm going to say this is B and this is A and this is C. And then BA and BC are congruent. So we can assume this is an isosceles triangle because of the definition of isosceles triangle. Definition of isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. Two equal sides. So, and also the angles opposite the equal sides also equal. So this and this are also congruent. So that is why we know this is isosceles, but we don't know this is triangle ABC is equilateral because it doesn't say BA is equal to BC is equal to CA. So at least we know angle BCA and angle BAC are congruent. So, and let's see the multiple choices. Angle A and angle B are congruent. No, we cannot say that because we don't know this triangle is equilateral. And then angle B and angle C are congruent? No, and the same reason. And then angle A and the angle C are congruent? Yes. So because of the definition of isosceles triangle. And side BA and side AC are congruent? No, we cannot say that. And also angle A and angle B and angle C are congruent? No, we cannot say that either. So answer is C. So this lesson is done. Hi everyone. How was today's lesson? I hope this lesson was very helpful. So see you next time in lesson 7. Bye! Let me have a coffee before I teach.